climate is a global phenomenon. You get rains, you get snow, you get winds, you get moisture, all just originating from the Atlantic Ocean. And you are familiar with that, we call them western disturbances. So whatever, along with the winds, if you have, if you look at the pollutants, the greenhouse gases over the Jammu and Kashmir, and I have, as part of my research, traced the origins of all these, and you will see some of it comes from Europe, some of it comes from West Asia, of course, Pakistan and Afghanistan, and also from the Gangetic plains. Globally, these fossil fuels contribute 80% of the greenhouse gas emissions, because of which you find this, global warming increase in temperature. And carbon dioxide contributes about 90%.